minus symbol over here, the side of your nose and even your under eyes. Hey guys, my name is Nadeshna and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some beauty gadgets that I've been using for a while now, and this video is not sponsored. I bought all of these and I've been using them for a while and they've been really useful for me, so I thought why not come and share it with you guys. As usual, I'll link all the products in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I have is this face massager right here. So this face massager gadget has been popular for a couple of years now. So I found a very budget friendly option from Amazon. This one is from the brand CareSmith, and honestly it's really nice. It just works perfectly and I don't see any difference between this and the other brand. So this is a rechargeable face massager and they also give you a USB cable, so you can just plug it in and you can charge it any time that you want. I must say that the charge definitely lasts really long. They also come in different color options. I chose the purple one because I love purple, it's my favorite color. It has these silicone bristles, and silicone is an amazing material when it comes to products that is for the skin, because silicone is known for not holding on to bacteria. That means it is extremely hygienic to use products that are made of silicone. Obviously after using it, you just wash it and pat it dry and just keep it inside the package and you're good to go. So once I turn it on, it will start vibrating. So I'm going to just turn it on. Yeah, it's like vibrating, like my mic is here, and you can actually adjust the vibration as well. It has this plus and minus symbol over here. Honestly, it just feels so smooth, and I also love to like scrub my lips with this as well, and my lips have finally stopped being chapped because I have extremely dry lips. It also has this corner right here which has a different silicone like bristle pattern, and that is for the hard to get corner areas like the side of your nose. Obviously be very careful when you're massaging your under eye area, or keep it in the lowest possible vibrating setting. It just feels really good. Okay, so speaking of therapeutic skincare routine, I also got a jade roller. So I really wanted to try it, and again I wanted a very budget friendly option. So after doing a lot of research on Amazon and trying to find the right one, I decided to get this one and I really like it. Now I don't really know how authentic the jade stone actually is, but I personally don't really mind because it was super budget friendly. So I am being very realistic and I don't expect it to be the real jade stone, but it comes with this roller right here and it also comes with a gua sha in the same jade stone. I must say that this definitely has a very cooling effect on my skin, so that just makes me feel like this is the real like jade stone. So this roller comes with two sides. So one side is the bigger roller, obviously that's for your overall face, and then the second roller is more for the hard to get parts, like again the side of your nose and even your under eyes. And of course you have the gua sha stone right here. So if you guys don't know what a gua sha stone is, this is what it looks like, and I love using this on my jawline and then on my contour. So basically I like to use this where I want a proper definition on my face. You know, sometimes your face can be really puffy, so that happens to everyone. So if you want to kind of de-bloat your face and kind of drain it, I think that's the right term, then you should use the gua sha. Love it. So the next set of products are nail polishes, and I found some new brands from Amazon and I really wanted to try. But first, let me show you guys the one that I'm wearing right now. Look at my nails. It's been a year since I've painted my nails. The last time I painted my nails was before the pandemic. I'm using this mini shade by OPI nail lacquer. I love OPI as a nail paint brand, and this one is called Alpine Snow. It's just a plain basic white color. The next two nail paints that I got are in these pretty pastel colors. So you have this lilac color and then you have this mint green color, and this one is from a new brand, at least new for me, which is called Bad Company. All the reviews, there were so many reviews and so many positive reviews, like with pictures. A lot of people were saying that these lasted them very long, like they painted their nails and they did all their housework and they still lasted for more than a week. So I was like, that's pretty amazing. So these are the two shades. Still haven't tried it, so I'll let you guys know. Another main reason I got it is because they promise that these nails have no toxins in them and you know, they're made of good ingredients, good products, they're vegan and all of those things. Okay, so sticking to the nail theme, the next thing that I got is this nail art set, and you guys are not going to believe the price. I don't remember it, but I'll put it in the screen somewhere so you guys can see. It was super affordable, and honestly it has everything that I need. 4, 5. Okay, so they give you like 5 different dotting tools. So on one side all of these are the same size, but then on the other side they actually come in different sizes. Next, they also give you a set of tapes, and they have given me so many different colors, guys. Let me show you. Look at the amount of colors, and these are extremely thin, so you can either use them to like make a sort of border design where you want the line to be very straight, or you can use them as designs as well. The last thing we got is a set of brushes. So these paint brushes are especially for making nail art, so they're really small and fine. As you guys can see, they come in all different shapes and sizes. So you have the thinnest one to make like straight lines. You also have these. Full disclaimer, I'm not a nail artist at all. This is my first nail art kit, and I just bought it because I really wanted to try some cool nail art. And then the last and final thing, and probably the most important thing that I really need to use, is this makeup brush cleaner. And this again is a silicone based product, and look at that, it's so damn cute. It's like a cute little bear. And I'm someone who is so lazy to wash their makeup brushes because it's so difficult to wash them, like clean them really nicely, and it takes a lot of time. So I wanted to get something like this, you know, that has different textures, so I can just like swirl it on top of this, and all of the makeup that is there on the makeup brushes will come off, and it will clean up really nicely. And ever since I've got them, I've been very good and very sincere with washing my makeup brushes. So yeah, that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you guys liked it. I feel like in this video I spoke a lot, but hopefully I spoke faster and you guys didn't get bored. Let me know in the comments down below, do you find videos like these useful? Then I'll definitely make more of these. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I make a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!